Claude by Anthropic app. So yeah, you can just install it and get it. So just double click to install it. Your personal Pocket Genius. So this is one of the most popular models, and it has its own app similar to ChatGPT or Grok. It's mostly used for coding and like more programming tasks. Claude 3.5 Sonnet is very popular among programmers. Now they released a new model, 3.7. It's obviously being updated all the time. And yeah, if you just want to use it in more nice way, then you just install the app, and here you can sign in with email, Google, or like Apple. So for example, if I just sign in with Apple, this is how it looks like. And that's it. So super easy to sign in. You can also add some additional features. You can add photos from camera files. You can select style. You can manage tools, analysis tool, artifacts. So it's quite some nice features in here. And then yeah, you just enter it in here just like that. And then yeah, here you just also start a new chat, and you can see the model in top part. And then here the monthly price is $20 per month, and annual $215 per year. So that's basically the idea. Here you have your profile. You can select language. You can delete an account. You can see some tools in here. There's some billing, and that's it. So that's the idea in here.